It's not that bad. Maybe it is that bad. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little different of a video. I wanted to go through this drawer, so I figure you guys can go through this drawer with me. This is a plethora of products that I have hoarded. Yes, we are on an underconsumption journey. If you follow me here or on TikTok, then you already know I've been doing empties forever, but this last year or so I've really made a full-on conscious effort to use up what I have and not buy unnecessary things, especially beauty and makeup products, because that's where I fail, as well as clothes. A whole bin of makeup and stuff, and I wanted to go through it, especially since I have hinted to my mom and my husband that the only thing I really want for my birthday and Christmas is a vanity, because I've never had a real vanity. It's just been a table with a chair and a mirror, which is fine, but I need to upgrade. Also, if you hear noise in the background, I'm watching Halloween 3, and I want to say an underappreciated movie. I love Halloween 3. This is one of my Sterilite drawers. She's packed. This also has random stuff in it too, so this is going to be a fun time. So first we have this little fan. It's come in handy so many times. So to everyone that used to make fun of me at work for having this, and then I brought this out when I was pregnant, yeah, who's laughing now? Who's laughing now? Because I still carry it with me. Beauty blender cleanser. This is probably one of the only very expensive things so far that I would repurchase. I did buy one of those Zote bars. So once this is done, we're going to try that out. And I think it's in here too. So we will definitely be going to that. This has just been an OG thing that I've always purchased for years. CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen, SPF 50. I like this, but it leaves such a bad white cast. So I'm going to see if my mom or somebody wants this, because it is pretty much half used. So goodbye pile. And do you guys remember this? I don't even know if they still sell this. This is from Real Techniques. It's just to clean your brushes. I love this so much. This is my favorite thing to clean brushes with. I feel like nobody cleans brushes anymore. That used to be such a thing, makeup, but also this is how I clean my brushes, and I feel like I don't see that anymore. All right, next we have my eyelash extensions. I haven't done these in a while, but I definitely should, so these are obviously a keep. All right, we have some stuff that I am going to keep because I did get it as a backup, which I know I shouldn't have bought it as a backup, but yeah. We got the Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. I do like it. Pretty good. I may have bought two to get a free phone grip. I'm fine. Okay, then we have, oh my god, this is embarrassing, the Hemp's bronzing drops. I think I am going to keep this because I think I might get rid of the liquid bronzer I used last summer. I don't know, but I think I'm definitely going to keep this, so that's staying. I don't know why. Why did I buy all this? I don't know. Couldn't tell you. Don't know why. Because I know I have a ton in here somewhere. I don't do my makeup like that often. I do a very basic everyday face. So a backup of this Vitamascus Coconut Lip Mask, which I love and I'm almost out of, so I bought it. I don't know. That might be a go, because why? Sometimes, again, I still get these moments where I'm why did I do this to myself? Samantha, hello? And then to go with that, we have the new, I was looking for this. This is the new Cinnamon Sugar Vitamascus that came out, and I bought it, and I have not tried it because I was looking for it and I thought I lost it. So we're going to try that out. I'm very excited. This is staying. I don't care what any of you say. This is staying. I love this stuff. This is staying. All right, we have the Rem Beauty. I didn't even use these. I bought them back in February. Never squirted them. Nothing. So I feel like this needs to go. Or maybe I have used these. I don't remember. It's such a long time. How would I know? I don't know. I have no idea, pile. Same with this. This I've had for years. I feel like this might be expired actually. 8/23. Oh. Yep, that's going in the empties. That's bad. That's pretty bad. Don't do that. My NYX Plump Right Back Primer. I just bought this as a backup, so that is staying. NYX Brow Glue, staying. And I have the Naked Sundays SPF 50. What are you? Oh, sunscreen. Mini sunscreen. Keep for next summer. Keep in general. We have a whole bunch of these, or maybe there's two. I feel like there was 3 of them somewhere. I could be wrong. This is the Naked Sundays Illuminating Drops and Blush Drops. I have not used these at all, so I think I may re-gift these because it's just, I'm not going to use them. Summer's over. The vibe is gone. That can go. I bought this so long ago. I still need to use this. This will be my next primer. Secure the Sweat One Size Dry Till Dawn Primer. We're keeping her because I am going to use that. I do love that primer. Then I have an Alien sample. Fun fact, this is my mother-in-law's like signature perfume and I secretly really love it and I want it for myself. So we're gonna keep this because I want to wear it. Is that weird? Probably. Do I care? No. This is my favorite highlighter, the e.l.f. Jelly Pop highlighter. However, this one is extremely old because I bought this overseas when it was not available here in the US. This is gonna go because this has a 6-month shelf life, fortunately. And then I have a backup of the e.l.f. Jelly Pop lip oil. What the hell are you? Highlighter, which I think is funny because I don't really wear a lot of highlighter anymore, and that was like my thing. Isn't that crazy? I don't know. This is an I don't know pile, so we'll put it there. I have some Be Pure bronzing drops from Dollar Tree. I probably will not use these, so they are gonna go to someone else. Oh, here it is. Here's the Naked Sundays bronzing drops. I feel like if anything I would just keep bronzing drops. Very complicated. I don't know, because like I have stuff on my vanity that I use every day, so anything that's like extra I just throw it in here. I don't know. That's a maybe. These are some mattifying blotting papers for a mattifying blotter thing that I have not used in a long time. So this is gonna go. This is never going anywhere. Ew, what the heck is that? I don't think that's what it is. Might just be makeup. I have no idea, but my Hello Kitty mirror, she needs a new battery. She's life. And she's not going nowhere. My Sephora mirror. This means so much to me because this was from a gift that my, let's say, when I was student teaching, the teachers at the daycare I was student teaching at gave me a gift card and gave me this mirror. So I always keep this mirror because it just means the world to me. So we're keeping that. Extra sharpener. We always need one. So yes, I'm keeping that. This, this is probably going. This Hello Kitty Marshmallow Fluff little lip balm. Never, I think I did use it. I see my lip print in it. So we're gonna maybe part ways with her. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Here's the Zote soap. So we're keeping her. I also have a NYX. Hello, I didn't even know I had this. This NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Yes, I'll keep her. Oh, I have a little comb. I didn't know I had that. Then we have my Kylie blushes, which these are both probably expired now, which is really annoying. We have Meet Me There, and we have Breakfast in Bed, which I do love the formula, and I do like these ones a lot. I think they are expired, which is annoying as hell. Use your makeup. Buy makeup and use it. Don't buy it to collect it, because it's not worth it and you're wasting your money, okay? If you've learned anything from me over the years, how much makeup have I decluttered here? How much? How big of a collection did I have back in the day? Like almost 10 years ago. Now here we are, and I just don't care anymore. So don't do it, okay? Fake Road peptide that I got with a iPhone case. This is supposed to be passion fruit jelly, and it smells a little funky, so obviously we're not going to use that. That's going to go away. And then I have another, oh wait, no, this is just the, oh, this is an unscented one. Sorry. This is also a fake unscented one I got from a phone case as well. I don't think I'd put these on my lips. That's going to go. Oh, my Jeffrey. He doesn't even make these anymore. This is mine. King Tut, man. I'm just going to keep it for the vibes. I'm getting pimples all over my face. Lovely. I know everyone has something to say about Jeffrey now, okay? But, like, this was, like, my time back in the day. I feel like I need to keep it. All right. Then we have two. Oh, God. I don't even know how bad these are. These used to have an expiration date on them. Now they don't. We have the Tarte Sugar Rush Skin Treat. I have it in light, medium, and light. I have not touched these. They're just gonna go. All right, this Pixie Hello Kitty highlighter. She's also 12 months, so she's probably expired. All right, then I have this highlighter from LA Colors. 6 month. That's done. Little Rare Beauty highlighter in Outshine I've never used in my entire life, so that can go to somebody. This little So Rich highlighter. This is also probably expired. A very white highlighter. She's going away. My MAC Soft and Gentle. Oh my god, I used so much of her. I loved her. I feel like this is probably expired too. This sucks. Does anyone remember these brush cleaners? I low-key still keep mine, but I don't really wear eyeshadow or anything anymore, so I don't know. Tower 28 blush. Yeah, this is old. And Dream Hour. Beach Please Dream Hour. I don't freaking know the name of it, but she's been in there for quite a while. My little Becca Champagne Pop. This one doesn't have a thing on it. So, oh, she's almost done too. We're gonna keep this one. This one I will keep because I love that one. My mom gave me this. I've never touched it. This is in Mellow Wine from Wet n Wild, and I don't know if it's expired or not, so we're gonna just part ways. Same with this Essence blush. Yeah, this was 12 months, so unfortunately, this sucks. It really sucks. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna keep this. This is a Mario Cream Blush. I think I got this in like a kit I bought myself last year, so I have not opened it at all. Pinch Me Pink. Oh no. Is this supposed to look like that? Maybe we do have to part ways with this. Oh my, that sucks, dude. It's like, I don't even know if you guys are gonna see it on camera. I'm trying to like get my camera to really focus on it. Probably not, but it's all like texturized in it. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Yes, I'm realizing the consequences of my actions. You don't need to tell me. Then I have this little MAC. Oh, it's a eyeshadow. I don't even know. And woodwinked. That's pretty. Don't wear eyeshadow though. Like, hello. Like, it's a very rarity that I do. I'm not getting rid of this. I don't care what any of y'all say out there. This is my first Jeffree Star mirror I ever had. I had Halloween ones. I think I gave those away. I had like a rare Halloween one. I low-key regret getting rid of it, but this one I'm keeping forever. So I don't care. So originally in this drawer, there was supposed to be a section for where I could put like my dirty brushes and dirty sponges so I can clean them, like pile them up and then clean them. So this is like a mix of all of that. I have some random camera stuff in here that's gonna stay. This is probably old eyelashes. Oh, actually no, they're all out. But yes, I'll keep that. I just don't wear lashes anymore. OG Queen Cosmetics packaging. Hello? Where are you keeping it, Samantha? So it's OG, but I will get rid of it. I will get rid of it. I will get rid of it. Okay. Yeah. So in this container, we have dirty sponges that I might as well just throw out at this point because a couple of them are just dirty as hell. Extra pump in case I need a foundation pump. Wow. Okay. Cool. Just had to get rid of a couple. I thought I had more puffs though. Some random lashes. I don't know where these came from. I'm probably gonna give those away. And then these I've had for years. These are my favorite strip lashes. When do I wear them? These are the Rem Beauty ones in Daydreamin'. These are like perfect for me. So I am gonna keep these for now. For now. Oh, these are relics. That's why these are in here. This is from Queen Cosmetics when she came out with a glow kit. So I have it for Valentine's Day. So pretty. I wish she would come out with more powder products again. This is the Be Mine glow kit. So this is definitely expired, but we are keeping her for the vibes. And then this is a brand new Nicole Guerrero glow kit that I bought when she brought it back years ago, and I have used it, and I will keep her for the rest of my life. So y'all can just chill out for that, okay? Necessary directions. Okay, the last few things in here. We have a beauty blender holder when I travel, which is rare these days, but nonetheless. And a special, wow, my hair is really messed up too. Hello. Special device that if someone were to come near me and threaten me, you know, that you could use in that sort of situation. That was very sad. Even still now, I still have a lot of makeup that I just went through, which is crazy. I really have been trying to just use what I have, but I guess there's some circumstances where it's like you just can't. You try, but you can't. I guess we will just put everything back now. I might actually get rid of this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you've learned anything from me, especially during my underconsumption journey and empties and trying to be more, you know, resourceful with myself and the world and whatever, you don't need all this. Overconsumption is exhausting. It's tiring. It's annoying. It's stressful for what it is, and it doesn't need to be. So when does this expire actually? Doesn't say. Cool. Oh, I also have Nair face cream because I've done it a few times. This is still not as bad as when it used to be for me years and years ago, but it's still a lot. We are just gonna put back the things we are keeping, and everything else will go to someone that needs it more than me. And that's for like my mirrors and stuff, my fan, put that in there, my extra pencil sharpener, these highlighters I'm keeping forever. I feel like that TikTok of the girl, maybe it's a guy, no, I think it's a girl, and literally she's like all she does is just talk with her face, which is hilarious. If you've learned anything from me, overconsumption really is terrible, and now I don't buy unless I actually really need. So I will be going to Ulta, but just to get a couple things that I actually do need. So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Please ignore my hair clip. I need to get some small ones. That's also on my list. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so when I post a new video, because we are getting back on it. I don't care. We're getting back here. This is why I need smaller clips, because once I wash my hair, nothing stays in it. This is what we're looking like now. Still kind of a lot, but also a lot less. So I'm very happy with this. Progress is progress. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.